Hello, this is Monster Pro with a video to show you how to clean your Xbox fan without taking it apart. Well, simply, the first thing you need is an Hoover. So let me just quickly go and turn this on. Right, you want to go get this. You need a part with nothing on there. By the way, this will not go down to your Xbox. You lightly turn over, like so. They will clean the Xbox fan out. You've got to know it there. Then stop that side. Turn your Xbox on the outside then. And do the top bar. Same goes to the outside. Well, that's all guys from Monster Pro, but the thing about this, I did, clean the Xbox fans and make your Xbox not heat up so fast and make it clean inside. If you like this video, please have a look at my other ones, and I will be bringing some more up. And if you don't like the sound when the fan's spinning when you're playing the game, put the game in and go on there, press X and install it. And then when you install it, then 100%. You should be able then to have, the fan won't stop spinning when you're playing the game and all. So, thank you for watching.